All right, so today we are going to take a look at Adobe's new Spark apps. These are web-based apps that you can use on the iPad and download through the App Store for free, or on the internet for free. You just go to spark.adobe.com and you're able to log in with your your Google login. So the students can log in, you can log in, everyone can get to it. It's pretty awesome. The Spark apps will actually allow you to do three different things. You can make a post, which is a picture that lets you put some fun-looking text on it to make a point and an impact. Video, which gives you an ability to make a storytelling video. Students can do digital storytelling, can document scientific experiments and things like that. And then a Spark page can be used for resources and other things as well. We are going to focus on SparkVideo today. So I'm going to go ahead and open that app. Now I am logged in, and when I log in with Google, I will see my videos that are already done. So we've been talking about effects of forces. I went ahead and made an effects of forces video. This is something that the students can complete and then use a link to upload to their scientific notebook or their digital journal that we have created in Google Slides. This allows for app smashing and some other things. So I'm going to go over a few things that I've done today. So I'm going to open up my effects of forces. If your students are creating from scratch, they're going to start with the plus sign down here at the bottom. What that does is gives them an opportunity to choose what they are going to work on. So they can put in the title, and it doesn't really matter what it is. So I did effects of forces next, and then they can choose from different themes. I utilized the tell what happened theme because it kind of walks you through this happened, this happened, this happened, this is my conclusion. Some people like to do show and tell, and others are interested in working from scratch. They just build their slides, pick their theme, everything's done on their own. I'm going to go back to the one that I already created so I can show you what we've been working on. So effects of forces is mine, and you can see down at the bottom here that I have included pictures. I've even put a video in, and then there's an opportunity to record, add photos, video. It's really neat. So if I'm on a slide, let's look at slide number 2. I put in a image. Maybe I want to change my picture. I can click on that. I have access to searching database from Adobe. I can get pictures that are on my iPad or my computer if I'm on the computer. I can take a picture. I can look at Creative Cloud, which has some that are free. I can connect to my Google Photos, Facebook, different things. So students have a plethora of places to find images. And the same thing works for video. They can get videos off of their iPad that they've already recorded. I utilized an app called Show Me to create my movie that I have, or my video that I have put in to the iPad. That I've put into the iPad. So once I saved that to the iPad, I was able to bring it into my app. That is this slide right here. It'll actually play through my SparkVideo. I can also do voiceovers, which I used to talk about my findings. And when I'm done, I'm able to save my work by copying to the clipboard, and I'm able to upload it to my Google Drive. We're going to do education, copy link to clipboard. And it takes a little time sometimes to copy. So once it's done, we will be able to add it to our digital notebook, and I will show that to you in just a minute. Students can also use this same link to upload or to add their video to your Google Classroom. So you don't necessarily have to go into their scientific notebook to see that they've completed the work you asked them for. They can use this same link both times. We will show you in just a moment how to add the link to your notebook via Drive. Almost there. All right, so now that we've got it copied, I'm going to go to my Google Slides. I'm going to go to my slides. I'm going to open up my Effects of Force notebook. Apparently, I'm having some issues. Open my Effects of Force notebook. I'm going to find the slide I want to add my video to. Well, on my scientific notebook, it's going to be whatever type of slide you've asked them to submit information on. So maybe my evidence is going to go down here at the bottom. I can click. I'm going to paste. I now have a live link for my video. The students can also turn this in on Google Classroom just by going to Submit. Or adding a comment to an assignment that you have given them. It works the exact same way. Tap twice, paste, there's the link. As a teacher, you do not need a login or anything to watch the videos. It will open and you will have direct access to it. That is how you Spark and utilize additional tools for your digital notebook.